Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete Instagram search suggestion on your Instagram app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Instagram app, then you have to go to your profile. After that you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then you have to scroll all the way down and find the option called search suggested content. You have to click on this option. After that you have to click on interested. Then you have to click on the video or the profile that you have interested in. Instagram thought you are interested on those. Then you have to click on this three dot bar icon. After that you have to click on not interested and you can choose any of those. Then you have to go back and go to the search again. Then you have to click on see all. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I am going to show you. So after clicking on this you will see your recent searches and you have to click on clear all. Then you have to confirm it. After that you are ready to go. Now Instagram will not suggest any people or account or new search. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video, subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.